Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. Today I'm grabbing over $90 worth of items, including laundry care items, for free plus a small money maker after cashback and rebates. The rebate apps I'm going to be using today are IBOTTA and Fetch. If you need to either one, use my referral links to earn a cash bonus when you submit your first receipt. So before we get started, check your Target Circle account to see if you have any bonuses. My bonus is for $15 in rewards when I spend $60. This does have to be completed in 2 separate trips, and I only need 1 more trip in order to earn this $15 bonus. I also had this category coupon for $10 off a $50 home care purchase that I'm going to be using today. And since I'm a school employee, I also had this 20% off coupon, which I'm also going to use in today's haul. So check your Target Circle account to see if you have any of these amazing coupons. The first item I'm picking up is this Honey Nut Cheerios protein cereal. If you watched yesterday's Walmart haul, I mentioned that I grabbed the incorrect box. So thankfully I found this at Target and was able to get it for free today. So grab one of these Honey Nut Cheerios protein cereals priced at $5.29. Then submit your receipt to IBOTTA to get 50 cents back. And to Fetch to get 1,000 points per every dollar spent. So you'll get back the full $5.29 from Fetch, making this family-sized box of Cheerios free plus a 50-cent money maker. The next freebie you can grab are these Larabar protein bars. These 5-pack of bars are priced at $7.19. IBOTTA is giving back $2, and Fetch is also giving back 1,000 points for every dollar spent for this item. So you'll get back $7.19 from Fetch, making this item free plus a $2 money maker. And now we're doing the household deal to use that 10 off 50 Target Circle coupon. So the first item we're grabbing is this 60-count Gain Flings priced at $15.99. And we're clipping this $3 digital coupon. Next, we're grabbing one of these 130-sheet bounce sheets priced at $9.99 and clip this $2 digital coupon. Add one of these Downy Unstoppables priced at $15.99 and clip this $6 digital coupon. We're also adding one of these Gain Scent Boosters priced at $15.99 and we're clipping this $3 digital coupon. Plus this Downy Soft Fabric Softener priced at $12.99 and clip this $3 digital coupon. And finally, one of these Downy Blend Scent Boosters priced at $15.99 and clip this $3 digital coupon. So these are the 6 laundry care items that you're going to have in your cart. So I'm going to go over 2 different ways that you can do this deal. So the subtotal for these items comes up to $86.94. The 20% off school employee discount will take off $17.39. Plus we're using $30 in digital coupons, which will bring your total down to $39.55. And there's also this P&G rebate, where you can get either a $15 Visa gift card when you spend $50 or a $5 Visa gift card when you spend $20. And the spend amount is after all coupons have been applied and before tax. So since the subtotal is under $50, you'll only earn the $5 gift card for spending $20. So if you want to earn that $15 gift card for spending $50, you can add any other participating P&G products, preferably with a digital coupon, in order to bring your final total cost to at least $50. And remember to check the qualifying products on the P&G rebate in order to ensure that the products that you purchase qualify for that rebate. But if you have a Walmart store near you, I have an epic breakdown that'll make this deal so much better. So if you already watched yesterday's Walmart haul video, remember, I grabbed 2 3-pack of Tide pens. So if you want to earn a $15 P&G gift card, you can go to Walmart and do the Tide pen deal. The Tide pens do qualify for that P&G rebate. And since you're able to upload multiple receipts for that rebate, you can also use that Walmart receipt to help you get to $50 or more in order to earn that $15 gift card for spending $50 from P&G. So my total that I paid at Target was $39.55 plus $17.94 at Walmart, giving me a total of $57.49, making the total after the $15 gift card and Fetch $24.55. And this is what my cart looked like in the store. And as you can see, I am grabbing 2 boxes of Cheerios and 2 boxes of Larabar protein bars because my husband also has the same offers on his Fetch and IBOTTA accounts. So I grabbed 1 more of each product and paid in a separate transaction in order to redeem the rebates on his account. And this is everything I picked up at Target today. So the subtotal for everything here comes up to $111.90. But after $52.38 in digital coupons, my total came down to $59.52. But I automatically earned that $15 Target Circle reward due to this being the second trip where I spent at least $60. Plus, I'll be earning that $15 gift card from P&G for spending $50. And my husband is not home right now, so I'm not able to submit to his rebate apps yet. But I wanted to upload this video as early as possible because some of the coupons expire as early as tomorrow. But as soon as I do that, I will update in the community tab. So for the sake of this video, we're just gonna say that I got back $24.96 from Fetch, plus $5 from IBOTTA. So in the end, I was able to get over $110 worth of items for completely free, plus a 44-cent moneymaker. Simply amazing. And I only need to spend a few more dollars to earn another free Target Circle 360 membership. I have 22 days to complete this offer, so I know for sure I'll be getting that. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. If you're new to any of the rebate apps mentioned in this video, I will have the referral links in the description. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more money-saving content. God bless.